SAP Cloud Platform provides many type of services, tools, APIs, and applications that helps you to integrate and extend your solutions, optimize your business processes, and create an engaging digital experience. Let's go to SAP's official website and check what types of services SAP Cloud Platform is offering. So this is the page on which SAP is providing a list of services, what they offer. So here you can see that they are providing SAP Analytics Cloud Embedded Edition. They are providing Integration Suite. They are providing SAP Data Intelligence. It connects data from various sources to enable next generation data management. They are providing SAP HANA Cloud. If I just click on this tile and go inside it, it is telling us what type of features it is providing. On the second tab, you can see what type of service plans are available. Here you can purchase it and you can check how much they charge you for their service. If I go back to the services page, then let's see what else they are providing. They are providing UI5 flexibility for key users. Here they are providing ABAP environment to develop cloud-ready applications. If I scroll down, they are providing big data services. We have data enrichment. We have schema environment. We have identity provisioning. We have Java server available to run Java application. We have machine learning foundation. We have monitoring. We have different type of database available like PostgreSQL. Then we have SAP HANA Spatial Services. We have tax service. We have Web IDE full stack available to develop UI5 applications. We have conversational AI to build powerful artificial intelligent chatbots using a collaborative end-to-end platform. We have document service. We have forms by Adobe. We have mobile services available. Then we have SAP build available to build prototype for customer. We have SAP intelligent robotic process automation. We have data integration. We have API management. We have Internet of Things available. We have multi-chain. We have integration suite. We have SAP Leonardo IoT. So as you can see on this page, SAP is providing a lot of services. And in this course, we will see some of the services that are being provided by SAP in the trial account.